everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I have the unboxing of the November 2018 card kit by Simon Says Stamp. Got a cherry sucker. Okay, this kit is called Thanks and Leaves, and it includes a Simon Says Stamp exclusive stamp kit, stamp set, and this is one of the bigger ones, the 6x8, and it is called Thanks and Leaves. So grateful for everything you do and your support, but most of all, I'm thankful for the amazing person you are. That's really pretty. Family is everything. Friends are the family you choose. So happy you are family. In this season of Thanksgiving, I'm thankful for you. Thank you is not enough. Thank you for your thoughtfulness. Sending hugs. I feel so loved. Thankfully you're mine. We appreciate you so much. Just full of just beautiful sentiments. So if you're not going to be with your loved ones this Thanksgiving, this would be a great stamp set to make a personalized card for them. Show them how much that you care and that you're thinking about them. And just send them a little love in the mail. And these are such pretty leaf images to make just such a great fall Thanksgiving type card. Okay, so you get one booklet of the Tim Holtz Idea-ology Snarky Small Talk stickers. And I've seen these in videos, but I've never had any. So it's just pages of little sayings. Why limit happy to an hour? I am fabulous. Me, sarcastic, never. And they're all cut differently, and you can kind of mix and match them and, you know, make your own sentiments with them. My favorite thing to make for dinner is reservations. I mean, just all sorts of different things. And so if you're looking for something quirky to make a card with, the Snarky Sentiments by Idea-ology may be just a thing. And there's white and black versions too. So those are fun. Okay, so we also get a pack of stickers. Let's see. Oh, that's the stickers. I'm sorry. One pack of 6 Tim Holtz Idea-ology Butterfly Adornments. And these are so pretty. Let's see. Let's take one out. They're not too thick. This would still mail just fine if you put this on a card. They're about the thickness of like a coin, or maybe like a dime. So they're really pretty, very detailed, very intricate, very pretty. Okay, now we have 2 Simon Says Stamp medium white tags, 2 Simon Says Stamp 4-bar KRAFT envelopes, 1 Simon Says Stamp metallic orange pill envelope, and 1 pack of Simon Says Stamp bronze sequins. And these are the large sequins. And let's see. These 4 bars are great if you just want to give a little note to somebody. I think those are a perfect little size. These are always fun. You can do a great, if you're going somewhere at Thanksgiving and you want to take a bottle of wine or something, it's great to do a tag with those, put on the bottle of wine. Okay, in cardstock we have orange peel, green leaf, ivory, and Neenah Desert Storm. So very fall colors. Just love those metallic envelopes, are always so pretty. So lots of great things to make some wonderful Thanksgiving and fun anytime cards. Do some scrapbooking or just any kind of project that you need a little touch of fall for. Thanks for watching, and I will be back real soon with another video.